Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aurora and today we're doing part 2 of the Nickelodeon slime frozen treats. Today we're making the berry smoothie slime. Okay, the ingredients or material you're going to need for this slime are newspaper, paper towels to put down. This is optional, but I'm just doing this so it's easy to clean up after I'm done. Scissors if you haven't opened some of the packaging. You're going to need the provided mixing spoon here. You can see that. You're going to need one of these mixing sticks or a popsicle stick if you don't have them in the kit. Some scented colors. You're going to need some slime activator, as you can see here. Some white slime glue. A mixing bowl that they provide. One of the containers. And the mixing cup to measure your things precisely. Okay, so I've moved locations so you can see the ground, and now I'm going to start pouring 30 milliliters of this glue inside. Okay, so I went ahead and I filled up my cup with all of the glue that I need, and now according to this, I'm going to follow the instructions and cue voiceover. Okay, so right now I'm just watching and reading the instructions, and so we're going to grab our glue, the 30 milliliters, and pour it into the bowl as much as you can. You can't really see me because my camera is aimed pretty low in the scene, but I'm pouring all the glue into the bowl. There we go. As you can see, I'm trying to pour it as much as I can so we don't waste any glue. Now I'm going to use the spoon and scrape the edges to get as most glue as possible, but you can do this by yourself or you don't have to do this step. Okay, so right after this, I've added water. I've added 55 milliliters of the water into the bowl. So now we're going to take 1 spoonful of our glue with the mixing spoon. And we're going to put it in the bowl as much as we can. And now we're going to clean it off so we don't get the blue all over the red because the smoothie is going to be a purplish color. So now we're going to use the red over here. We're going to open it and use our spoon and get some red in there. And if I can close it, and now we're going to put all the red in there. And now on to the next step. So I've just grabbed my popsicle stick or mixing tool as they call it. I'm going to mix my substance with the glue, water, the red, and the blue. And I'm just going to stir it up until it's kind of a purpley color. Right now I'm adding 7.5 milliliters of the slime activator into the measuring cup here. And I'm going to put that into the substance and continue mixing. We're just going to keep mixing the slime here until all of it's come into a clump in the middle. Okay, I moved locations again so you can see me stirring a little bit. So this is like a nice, jiggly slime. And I followed the instructions and it's pretty good. So I'm going to fix it up a little bit and come back to you guys. Okay, so I finished trying to fix it, and here are some few final thoughts. So, here's what the slime looks like when you open it. It's a very jiggly slime. I'm just going to play with it in front of you guys so you can see. It's, oh, I don't want to spill over you guys, but it's quite jiggly. It's still slime, I guess, but it's jiggly. So I'll be working on it a lot to make it better, but okay. So I have one thing to work on. I don't know about you, but I don't know if this is just me or what it is, but these do not look like the same color to me. Do they look like the same color to you? Once again, the container size is not the best. I have stuff sticking all over the lid, and I still have all of this slime in here that did not fit in the container. So, Nickelodeon, if you're watching this, probably not. But if you were looking for things to work on, container size would be key. Now, it does fit like this, but you get a lot. So maybe like using lesser proportions if you decide to make this. Maybe your container will fit better and you don't have wasted slime. But luckily, I have containers. And overall, it was a success. So, yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Bye!